Rainy day. Rainy day. It is raining. Peppa and George have to stay inside. I do not like rainy days, Peppa sadly says sadly. Daddy Pig thinks of a game to play. He calls it the rainy day game. He will hide rubber ducks and George and Peppa will find the duck. Peppa thinks that the game sounds too easy. She thinks that George should find the duck first. Daddy Pig hides the duck in the bedroom. George cannot find the duck. You can see it, just look with your eyes, says Daddy Pig. George uses his eyes. You are getting warmer, Daddy Pig says. George finds the rubber duck. Peppa still thinks that the game is too easy. It is Peppa's turn to find the duck. Mommy Pig hides the duck in the kitchen. Peppa cannot find the duck. Mommy Pig says the duck is sitting with something that is yellow. Banana, says Peppa. She finds the duck. The rainy days game is fun. Peppa wants to play it again. Daddy Pig puts the duck somewhere for George and Peppa to find together. Peppa and George cannot find the duck. Where is the duck? Peppa asks. Daddy Pig says, it is sitting on something very big and very wise and very handsome, says Mommy Pig. The duck is on Daddy Pig's head. That is the best hiding place ever, says Peppa. Outside, the rain has stopped. I want to play the rainy day game, says Peppa. I can think of an outside rainy day game that you might like, says Daddy Pig. What is it? Asks Peppa. Daddy Pig says we need to find a muddy puddle. I found it, Peppa says. What do you do when you find a muddy puddle? Daddy asks. Jump up and down in it. Peppa likes rainy days game. Peppa really likes muddy puddles. The end. Play your own rainy day game just like Peppa and her friend. Have the youngest person in your family pick out the small stuffed animals that they want to hidden. The oldest person in your family will hide the stuffed animals somewhere while everyone else close their eyes and counts 1 to 20. When you all open your eyes, it is time to find the stuffed animal. Whoever finds it first gets to hide it next. If you're playing someone much younger than you, make sure to hide the stuffed animal somewhere they can find it. You can use clues and hints just like Peppa and her family do. Have fun! Thanks for watching, kid. Enjoy!